Welcome back, guys. So we have it pre-processed already. If you had watched the video I suggested you watch earlier on, you remember the YouTube video I suggested you watch earlier on, where you come to YouTube, I did a preset on how to use CapCut for free. So I say you should come to my channel, just search for Beloved Adejigbe on YouTube, which is this. Then you come to this right here. So when you come to this right here, you look for your search icon right here. This is your search icon. Then you search for CapCut Pro. You search for CapCut Pro. Yes, just search for CapCut Pro and you see this particular video, how to use CapCut Pro for free. So this is the video I want you to have a preset. So you are going to use this to preset what I'm trying to do right now to use CapCut for free. So coming back here right now, so we're going to come to CapCut. So we have our video pre-processed already. So what we're going to do now is to bring in the pre-processed video. So we're going to take this out. So let's bring in the pre-processed video. So how do we bring it in? From the presets, you will know that I have it in my CapCut folder. So I created a folder. So I'll come to CapCut Pro. I'll come to CapCut Drafts. Then today being 0928, I'm going to just click on this, come to resources and come to combination. Then I'm going to have my video right here. The one that is video is this, so I'm going to bring this in. So that is the one we pre-processed, which is what we're going to use. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take this out, of course. I'm going to take this out. Then I'm going to bring in this. So I'm going to bring in this right now. I will then try to export. So it's going to export this video for me. So I could create my cover before exporting, of course. So I could come right here to edit to create a cover for myself. So I will just have something like this. So let's see. So let's have a cover. Remember, so we're going to have a cover this way. Okay. So we're going to have a cover from here. So let's say, okay. So let's have a cover from Archimedes, that place he was trying to look up. So let's see. I'm trying to create a cover from this. Like, okay. So he's saying we should sign in. Of course, don't sign in. Don't even try to sign in at all. So he's trying to force a sign in. Just close that. You don't need to sign in. So here we are. I saw the place I want to use. So let's see. Okay. So this is let's use this. Let's use this. I need to select now. So this is what we want to edit. So let's use this to edit the cover. So we want to edit our cover right now. So let's edit it right here. So with input text, and this is the layout of where you can design your cover for that to get loaded up, and the picture will be right here. The initial picture will be right here, which is this. So I'm going to get a text on it. So let me come to text and let's have text. So we're going to have something like, let's see something like this. Let's say he solved a crime by simply taking a bit, something like that. So like I've seen things like that. So let's try to use that as a thumbnail for the video. So let's say solve a crime by simply taking a bit. So let's see how this comes in. So let's say, okay, you could in for more tests, but let's try to use this for now. So I'll say he solved. Okay, let's see. Let's have this out. So let's take all those out. So let's say he solved a serial crime by simply taking a bit. Okay, so let's see that, and let's try to edit the text itself. So we're going to try to see how to edit this. So let's say, so this is our presets right now. These are our test presets. So let me have it centered as usual, and let's have it somewhere here. So we're going to have this somewhere here, and let's make sure it is looking smaller this way. So we're going to have something like this. So far So it says he solved a crime by simply taking a bit. So let's make sure this is small enough. So we're going to have something like this. So let's say he solved a royal crime by simply taking a bit. So we're going to have that. So let me see, let me copy this out so that I can have it used in other. So let's say I want to copy that out. Shortcuts are currently unavailable. I click to duplicate. Okay, so let's see what we have. So let me see if there are other test templates I could use to create this thumbnail to have a very good thumbnail. So let's see. So let's say we have, okay, let me see what we can do. Well, we can leave it this way for now. We can leave it this way so that we can have a thumbnail designed later on. So we can leave it this way. But what I would do is to close this VO3 gap. So I could use eraser on Canva. That is if you want to go deep into YouTube, but let's just leave it like this. So I'll use this as my cover for now, and that will be the cover of the video. Then we can now export this video. So right now, add cover at the beginning. Yes, make sure you add cover at the beginning. Yes, and you could name this. So he solved a real crime. He solved a real crime by simply taking a bat. So that will be the video. That will be the title of the video. Then we're going to export it to download. We're going to take the folder, we're going to export it to download. Then your resolution could be in 4K if you want it to be in 4K. Then you could see your bitrate, and you could see your codec, you could see your MP4 format, and everything looks so good right now. So we're going to have all this, and let's have this exported. So you could start exporting right now. So I'm going to export this right away, and that way we start exporting without having to subscribe on CapCut. So this is the exportation, and it's going to export our video for us, and there we have it. So having to have this video exported right now, you could do more things with this. I'm just showing you how you could use Google AI Pro to improve your productivity when it comes to media creation. Whether you have a faceless YouTube channel or you're using AI to create ads, you can use this method. All the methods I've used from the very beginning of this video to this very end. And right now I'm trying to export the video right here. So we're going to have the video exported, and at the very end we're going to see how that turns out to be for us. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to go to the next aspect of this Google AI Pro. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.